and welcome to ECO 2620. This is Microeconomics at JCC. My name is Sarah Bray and I will be your instructor for the course. I want to take a minute to give you an overview of the syllabus and also Blackboard so you know what you have in store for you in the coming semester. When you log into Blackboard and into the course, you'll see this general home page. The important things to note first would be here on the left, the syllabus. And I'm going to go ahead and click that and download the syllabus for this current spring semester. You'll see here on the syllabus some of the general information in terms of accessing and contacting me. You'll find my office hours here as well as the best way to reach me by phone, by email, or by Skype. I do use Skype if you ever want to communicate with a video chat. I'm based on the Cattaraugus County campus in Olean for JCC. However, I do get to the Jamestown campus somewhat regularly and will be happy to meet with you at either location if that's something that you'd like to do. Excuse me. Hey, Beth. Hello, and welcome to ECO 2620, Microeconomics. My name is Sarah Bray, and I am your instructor for this course here at JCC. I'm going to give you a quick tour and overview of Blackboard as well as the syllabus so that you can be prepared for the start of the semester and understand everything that you have in store for you. As you log into Blackboard and log into the course, you're going to see this home page. The important things to point out at first would be the items in the left-hand column. And let's start with the syllabus. You'll click this button and then download the syllabus for the spring semester, which I will open up for you here. In general, at the top of the syllabus, it gives you information in terms of how to contact me and office hours. My office hours are listed here, but if you need to reach out at another time, please go ahead and do so. We can always coordinate a time to meet in person, by phone. You'll see here I also use Skype if you ever want to communicate regarding course policies, assignments, anything like that. I am more than happy to work with you one-on-one to assist you in any way that you need it. Our textbook is listed here. It is Microeconomics and it's from OpenStax, which means that it's an OER textbook, open educational resource. The book is free to you online, and you're welcome to use an online-only edition or version. However, if you would like to have a print copy of the book, you can do that. There are print copies available through Amazon. I think they're around $25 or $30, so you're welcome to go ahead and get a print copy, or you can also print out the chapters that we'll be using, one chapter at a time, and a lot of students take that approach as well. So there is the information on the textbook. You can read through the course description and course learning outcomes at your convenience. In terms of grading, the course is based on points, and the entire class gives you the opportunity to earn 920 points. You'll see that that's made up of exams, quizzes, homework, and essays. Every week, we will be having quizzes and a homework assignment for each chapter. We also have 4 exams throughout the semester that are exams just on the most recent chapters. We break the semester into 4 different modules, and you will see that as I scroll down to the detailed course schedule. So as we go through chapters 1 through 4, every week you'll have a homework assignment that's due, and then after those assignments we have an exam, only on chapters 1 through 4. The due dates on the assignments are mostly Thursdays for quizzes and for homework. Exams are due on Sundays, and that's pretty much it. Thursdays or Sundays. Everything is due at the end of the day, 11:59 p.m. on the specified due date. We also have, in addition to the chapter quizzes and the homework and the exams, we have 2 essay discussions that are due. And I'll provide some information for you about that a little bit later on, but essentially you're going to be finding a news article from a reputable source on an economic topic that we're learning about in the class. From there, you summarize that article and write an essay about it, identify the economic principles, and then share that with your classmates in a discussion format, including commenting on at least 2 of your classmates' posts. In terms of general course policies, I want to make sure that you understand our communication policy, and that is primarily that I expect you to be checking your JCC email every single day. That's the only way that I have to communicate with the entire class. I'll post announcements which go to your JCC email, and so I need you to check that for updates, for feedback, for any kind of additional instruction beyond what's listed in Blackboard. In terms of additional communication, this is an online course, but please remember that I'm here to help you at the other end of all of the technology. We can communicate by email. I speak to a lot of students over the phone for help on homework problems and quizzes, and we can also do Skype if you're comfortable with that in terms of setting up a video web conference. Please remember, first and foremost, that I am here to help you. If you have any questions, I review homework ahead of time as long as you have it to me by noon on Wednesday of the week that it's due. I'm happy to review that for you and provide any tips, feedback, anything else you might need. Late assignments, quizzes, and exams cannot be submitted late. Anything else, so an essay or chapter problems, can be submitted late. There is a late assignment penalty attached to that, so 10 percentage points for every 24-hour period that an assignment is late. But again, quizzes and exams must be completed on time. If you need any special accommodations, please follow the information here in terms of disability or special services. And here's information in terms of accessing additional resources through our learning centers based on your closest location. I'll minimize the syllabus here and give you a very brief overview of Blackboard itself. You'll see an important information tab, and that's where I'm going to put this video once it's completed. You'll have a little bit of information about the course and also about your instructor. The rest of this is largely general JCC tips for online learning or tips for students at the college. Anything that's course specific, you're going to find in the syllabus, so make sure you're referencing that. Beyond that, the course is set up with a module folder for each chapter. And we won't cover every chapter in the book, but we will cover many of them. You'll click on the chapter, and within each chapter folder, you'll find the learning objectives, the course materials, and the assignments. You will have course materials that you can use that are in addition to the textbook. Typically, they're going to be videos. They may be articles, but I've tried to find videos for you to emphasize the material that you'll be reading about in the text. So you'll find course materials, and this is also where you go to find your assignments. Every chapter has a quiz. It's a 10-question quiz and a homework assignment. Both of those are due the same days when we complete the chapter. You'll find your essays here in this folder. And when it comes time for the exams, they will be available for you in the exams and materials folder, as well as some review information. You can access your grades here. I do use the Grade Center in Blackboard. Everything is submitted through Blackboard, and it's also graded through Blackboard, so you will always know how you stand in the course and how your grades are. And you can email me right through Blackboard as well. Just click here, find the instructor user, and send me an email in that way. The remaining tabs here are general information for JCC. And so in summary, I just want to let you know that, again, I am here to help you. I look forward to working with you throughout the semester. I really love economics, both micro and macro. Those of you that I've had before in the macro online course, you'll see that this is very similar in terms of layout and in terms of course policies. And I look forward to working with you all throughout the spring semester. Best of luck.